What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks coming at you with another video. Everybody's favorite video, fake versus real. I've been doing a bunch on Instagram, so follow me there, Marco Polo 2023. Yeah, so I've been doing them a bunch. This one was like the most interesting because it's a Jordan 1 Hyper Royal. Everybody's obsessed with Jordan 1s right now. So I thought a lot of more people would get this one right. Tons of people got it wrong. Like, it's half and half, wrong and right, of what's fake, what's real. I'll tell my Instagram people what's real here in a minute. I'm just headed home, and yeah, no better time to make a video than after you get a cut, because you just know. Okay, YouTube, wait, let me grab this shit. Okay, so I posted the fake versus real. Sorry, I got busted in the freaking lip. This is why I don't hoop. This is why I don't. We won't even talk about it. So I posted the fake versus real on my Instagram. I did top, bottom. I'll put the screenshot up. 52% of the people said the fake one was the top. 48% said bottom. That's a lot of people for bottom. Hundreds of people said bottom. The bottom is the real one. The top is the fake one. I'm still using my GoPro, so I didn't want to switch over to the other camera. So on the Hyper Royals, we're gonna look at the Wings logo, and we're gonna look at how the actual wings are spaced compared to the fakes. The fakes are a lot more spread out. They're a lot more spread out, and it just doesn't. And there's not a lot of spaces on the real ones. So you see, it's kind of all uniform, fit in. Also, it's a little bit indented into the shoe. It looks high quality. And if you look at the TM is kind of on the thicker side. On the fake, you'll see like the Wings logo kind of looks like a sticker. It's kind of weird. The TM is super thin, and the space in between all the tiny little wings, there's a lot more space to work with. It doesn't look as uniform. But yeah, like Jordan 1s, it's getting a little tougher to tell the fake versus the real. But use common sense. I still say this for every fake versus real. Use common sense, bro. If somebody's selling you this $400 shoe and they're trying to sell it to you for $230, use common sense. I mean, if somebody DM'd you right now and was like, you want a brand new Lamborghini for $50,000, I promise you, you would be like, no, bro, this is not gonna work. So use common sense when you're buying stuff. And then, yeah, just do your due diligence. It's kind of tougher now, but always look at the stitching, especially Jordan 1s. Look at that Wings logo, and it's kind of all over the place. Maybe the toe box might be a little bit more inflated. Stitching on the actual Nike sign, you'll notice some imperfections with stitching. Sometimes it doesn't even look like it's like fully stitched. It kind of just looks like it goes in a straight line instead of the individual little stitches in it. So I don't know. I just wanted to let you guys know. Instagram, we do a lot of fake versus real. I'm trying to educate. I'm trying to help the people because I don't want to see y'all go down bad, because I've been seeing too many people down bad. But yeah, we here. Mark Kicks, my boy MJ. He in the building too. Say what up to my people. All right, don't worry about the cable management. I don't know what we got going on over here, but we'll hit y'all in the next video. Hopefully my lip is healed, and do stop fouling just because I'm Steph. Don't worry about it. Burn.